Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through the process of becoming a seller on Takealot, one of South Africa's leading online marketplace. Whether you're looking to grow your e-commerce business or start a side hustle, this guide has everything you need to know. So let's jump right into it and make sure you follow along till the end in order not to miss the tips and tricks within this video. So to put it in a very concise manner, to become a seller on Takealot, you would have to follow three specific steps. The first is filling out the application form, which will be found on submitting the required documents, and finally, you would complete a verification once Takealot has reviewed your application and sent you a confirmation. This usually would take a maximum up to 7 days, since Takealot has made it a bit tight for applicants to pass through. So first things first, you can go ahead onto takealot.com. You can simply search for the website on your browser by typing in Takealot. Once you've done that, the first website, which would be takealot.com, would be the one that we use. Once you're on the landing page of Takealot, as you can see on the top side of your screen, you have two call to actions. The first one is for the help center, and the second one is for the registration of Takealot. By clicking on the second option, Sell on Takealot, you would be directed to this landing page. This landing page is going to assist you in two ways. The first one is to directly apply for the selling option, and second would be to see pricing. Seeing pricing is an additional feature used to make your business more successful, which you can navigate after you have been accepted by Takealot to become a seller. So to get started on your selling journey, you can click on Apply to Sell, and that will directly take you to Takealot's form. This is the form that you're going to fill in and send to Takealot to be approved. All right, the first section is going to be regarding your business type. If you'd like to register as an individual, you can select the first one, or else if you do have a registered business, you can opt to select the second one. It does have difference within the form. As you can see, when I select the registered business, you would have to indicate the business name and also the business registration number. So if you don't have these credentials, you wouldn't be able to proceed to the next step, which would be submitting your application. Hence, if you are just starting up to use Takealot as a side hustle, I would suggest clicking the first option, which would be as an individual perpetrator. Once you've done that, as you can see, the section for the business name and registration number has been removed for you, so that makes things a lot easier. Next up would be to fill in your legal name, which would be first and last name, and next an email address, phone number, landline phone if you do use it for your business, and a passport or an ID number. After having that section out of the way, now it's time to specify and talk more about your business. Here on this section, you'll be requested to fill in your company name and if you are a VAT registered company. If you select yes, you are going to be requested to enter your VAT number. If not, you can click no to have it removed. Next up, you would specify your monthly revenue. If you're just starting out, you can click on the first option, which would be less than 20,000 K, or perhaps if you have more than that, you can click on the specific amount. As you scroll further down the form, you're requested more details of your store or your business. If you have a physical retail store, you are going to be required to enter information regarding that store. If not, you can simply click on no, and that will be removed for you as well. All right, the remaining section of the form is going to be regarding your products. If you have unique products, make sure to list them specifically so that the application will be successful. And also, if you have a category, specify it within the categories that are listed here. If you're working in fashion industry, if you're working in health or home and office furniture, you have to be able to specify it for the application to be successful. Some sections of the forms will be altered according to your response to the previous questions. As you can see here, if your product is imported, you wouldn't have an option to enter information, but if it is manufactured locally, you would need a South African membership number. So here, if your products are sourced from local suppliers as well, you can click on that and proceed to the next section. As you approach to the final questions of this form, you'll be allotted to enter a website URL, a social media page, and also upload a preview for your products. On this preview section, you can compile pictures of your products or the items that you're planning to sell on Takealot, compile them in a catalog format, and upload them by simply dragging them to the file holder space here. All right, with those questions filled out, you would have one remaining section where you would write a brief summary regarding your business. Utilize this space to be able to convince the reviewers and have your application accepted. Next up is a question to identify where you actually found the information about Takealot, specify the specific source of information, and proceed to click on the Agreement for Privacy Policy to make sure that you've confirmed their policy. And finally, once you're done, you can click on Submit My Application, and that's it. Your application will be sent to Takealot officially, and as I mentioned earlier, it would take 10 days maximum to have your application evaluated and an answer from Takealot. So within that time, you can prep for your business. And once you receive a response from Takealot, you can go ahead and verify the email confirmation that you would receive and proceed to set up your seller account. So that's pretty much it on how you can start your seller's journey on Takealot. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.